Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you have fabric scraps lying around that you just can't bring yourself to throw away? You just know you'll use them someday, right? Well, I found a super easy way to turn those tiny scraps into a cute and useful purse. Let's start by preparing a coin purse-shaped batting. We'll begin with the darkest red and sew fabric scraps around the first piece in a circular pattern. Now, let's gradually transition to lighter shades of red. Then move to pink, followed by yellow, green, and finally blue. Make sure the entire batting is covered. Once the first one is finished, let's start another. Sometimes I need to rearrange the rose shape a bit to make it look just right. I also love adding little yellow strips into the rose. It adds a nice touch of contrast. Here's my second rose patchwork. By the third one, I've definitely gotten the hang of it. Look at these. Aren't they just adorable? Now, let's trim off the extra fabric. And there we have it, 3 neat and colorful fabric scraps ready to be turned into the cutest card purses. The free tutorial on how to sew them into purses is in the description. Here's how they look when folded in half. Do you like them? Even the backs are super cute. And that's it! Our adorable rose purses are finished. Who knew fabric scraps could turn into something this lovely? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun making these rose purses and feel inspired to create more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun sewing projects.